Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're looking for AI training job, I've got 3 for you today. Micro One is hiring, but you're not going to find these jobs I'm going to show you on their website because they outsourced AI training agents from AI. So I'm going to be sharing those jobs with you today. If you have access to Micro One, you know that Micro One hires globally, but some of you do not get these jobs on your dashboard. So I'm like outsourcing it for you. I have 3 for you today. The first one is AI data reviewer. We've got video caption specialist, and then we have AI evaluation specialist. If these 3 interest you, watch till the end. Let me show you the details on the platform. I will also leave their direct links in the description, so make sure to check out the description before commenting. Okay, before we start, subscribe to the channel. Most of you are not subscribed, you just watch and go. Like the video, comment and share. Let me know in the comment if you have worked on Micro One platform before. So this is for anyone that is already on Micro One platform. It hires AI trainers worldwide, but sometimes they outsource AI trainers from AI because they feel that we are more qualified. You guys are family, that's why I'm sharing this with you. Let's go there. The first one we have here is AI data reviewer. The required skills here is screenshot analysis, UI interpretation, attention to detail, written communication, and it is from Micro One. They are outsourcing agents from AI. It's a contract position, remote. As an AI data reviewer, you will apply your expertise to help train text generation AI systems. Your work will shape how models learn, reason, and perform through high quality real world input. No prior experience in AI is required. Your domain knowledge is what matters. Your key responsibilities will be to review and analyze screenshots of diverse software interfaces, identifying UI elements, and interpreting user workflows with precision. You will evaluate and annotate AI model responses, ensuring judgments are strictly grounded in what is visible on the screen. Distinguish between observable evidence and assumptions, documenting clear, well-reasoned explanations for your assessment, complete structured annotation and data review tasks across dashboard, forms, admin panel, CRM tools, and various web applications. Collaborate with the customer's team to provide high-quality, actionable feedback that directly impacts AI model improvement. For required skills and qualifications, you need expertise in screenshot analysis and UI interpretation, exceptional attention to detail with a commitment to accuracy and consistency in data review tasks, outstanding written communication skill, high computer literacy and comfort navigating a variety of digital tools, experience completing structured annotation or review process in a technical product or operational setting, ability to prioritize, manage time effectively, and meet deadline in a remote work environment. Preferred qualification will be background in QA testing, technical support, product operations, UX research, data annotation, or technical writing. Familiarity with reviewing complex interfaces such as admin panels, CRM tools, and modern web apps. Prior experience working remotely with global distributed teams. So you do not really need high qualification for this one. If you're also interested in learning QA testing, technical support, other skills, link will be in the description for you. So this is just it. That's all you need. Screenshot analysis, UI interpretation, attention to detail, no prior experience, but you still need small experience because if not, how would you be able to do the job? So link will be in the description for you to apply for this one because it is a global one. Check, you see that your country is here, even your Nigeria is here. This one is paying $25 to $40 an hour. That's the pay for AI data reviewer. And the second one is video caption specialist, paying $25 an hour. Required skills will be visual text discrepancies detection, motion and action description accuracy, rewriting and editing judgment, excellent written clarity. This is from Micro One as well. It's a contract remote position. The job summary: in this role, you will apply your expertise to help train next generation AI systems. Your work will shape how models learn, reason, and perform through high quality real world input. No prior experience in AI is required. Your domain knowledge is what matters. Responsibilities will include review short 5 seconds videos of robots, performing a variety of physical tasks while closely analyzing the corresponding AI generated captions, detect visual text discrepancies, rewrite captions with clear, concise, and grammatically correct language, emphasize the precision of robots' movement, maintain strict consistency with established project guidelines and rubrics, meet or exceed daily throughput and quality benchmarks to ensure timely, reliable project delivery. Required skills is just fluency in English with excellent grammar, spelling, and written clarity, keen attention to detail, and demonstrated ability to spot subtle errors or inaccuracies, comfortable analyzing and comparing short video clips, strong judgment for rewriting and editing text, ability to adhere to detailed instructions and maintain consistency, excellent communication skills, both written and verbal. For your qualifications, experience in AI training, data annotation, RLHF or LLM evaluation, background in writing, editing, journalism, technical writing, transcription or copy editing, familiarity with robotics, computer visions or video annotation workflow. So you've seen it. You don't need 100 years of experience for this one. Link will be in the description. Moving on to the last one, AI evaluation specialist. Pay is $22 to $70 an hour. Required skills, critical thinking, editorial judgment, content evaluation, written and verbal communication, and attention to detail. It's a contract remote position. In this role, you'll apply your expertise to help train next generation of AI. Your work will shape how models learn, reason, perform through high quality real world input. Key responsibilities will be review and critically assess AI generated output for quality, clarity, usability, and overall user experience. Identify inconsistencies, weaknesses, and improvement opportunities across diverse content types and visual experiences. You will apply structured evaluation guidelines and provide insightful nuanced feedback to inform model improvement. You can read this. The link will be in the description. The skills and qualification needed is native English level, C1 or C2, exceptional reading comprehension and acute attention to detail, strong observational skills with excellent aesthetic or editing judgment, ability to think critically and deliver consistent, high quality evaluation in ambiguous scenarios, excellent written and verbal communication skills, comfort working across various content types, strong sense of ownership, reliability, and commitment, open-minded approach, preferred qualification in his background in design, UX or UI, creative direction, editing, or content strategy, experience reviewing creative visuals or AI-generated content, familiarity with annotation, QA, moderation, or evaluation workflows, as well as working with AI tools or LLMs. They are seeking highly perceptive and detailed-oriented trainers, passionate about shaping the future of AI, bring your refined judgment, critical thinking skills, and commitment to excellence to their customers' team and make a meaningful impact on emerging AI technologies. You see, so go now. These are the 3 I have for you today. So how to do it is just to fill in your details, select your country, your email address, profile, and apply. All right, and that brings us to the end of this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment. I'll leave the 3 links for you in the description. Go to my description, you find the links. Always go to the description of the videos. You heard it. They said you do not need prior experience. You only need to have critical thinking, editorial judgment, content evaluation, written and verbal communication, attention to detail. These are the skills you need. You don't need 100 years of experience to start with. If you're interested, go and apply. The first one is AI data reviewer, paying $25 to $40 an hour. The second one is video caption specialist, paying $25 an hour. And the last one is AI evaluation specialist, paying around $22 to $70 an hour. Let me know what you think about this. Have you worked with Micro One before? Would you like me to bring more videos about them on this channel? Drop it in the comments. Please subscribe to my other 2 channels linked to this one. We have immigration channel helping you navigate your way around immigration, and we also have remote job channel. If you're looking for daily remote job updates, go and subscribe to the work from home channel. Thank you everyone for watching. Let me know what you think. All right, like, comment, and share. I'll see you in the next one.